Hey everyone, welcome to part 44. If you're new, I'm happy you're here. It means my videos are reaching more fresh faces every day. This step is about polishing the model. You can stick with my exact method, or you can play around and push it in your own direction. Remember, tutorials aren't about copying. They're about learning the tools so you can create something original. I've also got long-form tutorials uploaded on my channel. If you prefer watching the whole process in one go, you'll enjoy those. Before we continue, let me remind you, your support means a lot. Subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming parts, like this video to keep it moving, and leave a comment to let me know how you're finding the series so far. Are you following the shorts in sequence, or just picking random ones?